Alright, good afternoon. This video documentation is just real quick to show you the documentation I'm going to be actually requesting from you on your end, just to show the issue that's going on. Now currently I do, from my memory, I do believe it's the passenger right side where you're indicating that the LED does not turn on when everything's installed on the vehicle. So just in order to kind of show the necessary documentation to the manufacturer to move forward with the warranty replacement, we're going to go ahead and do a real quick test. So basically what's happening in normal operation, and right now I just turned this on, we have it hooked up to 12-volt power supply. There's a slight delay, so as you can see, clicked on right now. This is part of the way it's designed. It does have a slight delay to it. Now what we're going to actually go ahead and do here is pretty much just show that the wires from this whole relay assembly, this thing is actually feeding both of these right now. We want to make sure that the manufacturer knows that on your car it's feeding these both of these with the proper power that's necessary, so we can eliminate this as a cause and just narrow in on the actual light itself. So in order to do that, what we're going to go ahead and do is actually disconnect them at these connectors right here. As mentioned in the messages, you're going to have a red wire and a black wire coming out of your DRL light. You're going to go ahead and just disconnect these. They actually pull out pretty easily. There goes one, there goes the other. So we've got these off to the side, and you're going to pop this off of your vehicle. So this driver left one, pop it off real quick, disconnect these. You're going to put this on the passenger side. Now the passenger side one, same thing. Disconnect it, pop this off, and now put it on your driver's side. Now these clip off really easily, so this will be a real quick process. And these are also male female, so it's not going to be easy to get them confused. This one's got a pointy end, that one's got the hole, so we can just go ahead and put it right here, power that up, and to apologize for that, this thing came off. Same thing over here, male female, put these together. As you can see, this thing lights up right now. You're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. The white wire to red wire right here, male to female, and just missing the ground. Go ahead and power that up as well. Now that's what you're going to do on your side. Now from what you're telling us, the passenger side is not working and you believe it's the light itself. When you do this on your end, this will actually, it should not power when you show it in the video. So just go ahead and do this test just as described, except on your vehicle, and actually just showing, obviously that this is not going to light up when it's there, and it's not going to light up when it's on its own same side. Now just real quick, one note as well. I do note in your messages you mentioned that these caps have actually been popped off. That is actually a pretty big concern with the manufacturer. It won't help the case in terms of the warranty replacement. So what we're going to go ahead and ask you to do is, as much as possible in the video, try not to show these portions in the back, just to not show that they've been popped off, because actually those should not be popped off in the normal course of operation. So we're trying to avoid showing that for this video. Thank you very much, and this concludes the video documentation.